Top 5. Best Avalanche Beacons. Ever wondered how they get those sick skiing shots of big mountain powder riding with the dude jumping over a pine tree? Backcountry skiing and boarding involves first climbing a mountain and then skiing or riding down it. Number 5. Mammut Barryvox S Beacon. Another modern 3-antenna transceiver with great range and width of search. 60 meters range and 50 meters width mean you can find buried beacons faster, easier, and in a larger area. Again, powered by the standard 3 battery operation and featuring a triple antenna setup for maximum transmission and reception. The unit can process, mark and decode multiple signals at once and makes searching easy with a standard digital view interface. Antennas, triple. Digital range, 70 meters, analog range, 80 meters. Number 4. Ortovox 3 Plus, or for searching and transmitting. Range and search width are both a little low, however, at 40 meters compared to the 60 meters range of the DSP Pro. Overall, however, the unit packs some new age features and great display. Like the DSP Pro, the Ortovox 3 Plus has auto search to transmit capability in case a secondary avalanche takes your group by surprise. Surf test function and backlit screen are some necessary features in my opinion, and this unit delivers. Surf test function. 60 meters range of the DSP Pro. Firepower for searching and transmitting. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best avalanche beacons or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Black Diamond PIEPS DSP. This is a solid new age transceiver that comes from a company focused on great backcountry gear. Black Diamond has one of the best reps in the industry, and I've yet to see a bad product from them. This company is used to making gear people depend on for their lives. Circular ranging technology allows the beacon to search in a more complete path. The beacon automatically adjusts to optimize itself for multiple burial scenarios and allows you to mark locations. Works with older analog beacons, too. Circular range for extended. Symmetrical search area. Mark function for multiple burial scenarios. Number 2. Backcountry Access Tracker 3. This allows the maximum efficiency in signal reception and location. BCA guarantees at minimum 1 hour of battery life in search mode after 200 hours in transmit mode. That's a really reliable number I'd feel pretty confident in. This digital unit shows distance and direction when receiving and has a super streamlined interface featuring minimal information to make it easier to use in emergency situations which can be high stress. Frequency, 457 kHz, batteries, 3 AAA alkaline. Range, 50 meters. Number 1. Black Diamond PIEPS DSP. If you're looking for the absolute most robust transceiver on the market right now, this is probably it. Sharing most of the details and styling of the DSP Sport but packing in quite a few more high-end features. High contrast display is optimized for great readability in any lighting condition, and the screen is kept simple with only a few readouts. Exact signal processing using any combination of 3 onboard antennas provides redundancy and accuracy. Auto search to send mode changes the beacon from search mode to send mode if the beacon ceases to move for a duration of time, a great backup feature. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best avalanche beacons or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.